Take it down, 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 down. Beat it up, let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm going to be doing is something a little different. I'm not going to talk through this video. It is going to be either a voiceover or just kind of like music playing, because I just want you guys to kind of watch me do my makeup. I'm about to do something I've never done before. I'm going to be doing a ombre cut crease / cut liner look. It's going to be orange and yellow. But since this is my first time, I don't really want to give you guys a real tutorial. I'm just going to kind of speed it up and let you guys watch what I do. I'm really excited about this. I haven't done a really creative look in so long. So yeah, I'll just kind of briefly tell you guys what I'm going to be using. For starters, I'm going to be using the MORPHE 35B palette. I'm just going to be using this yellow shade right here in the corner, this orange shade right here, and maybe this orange shade right here, third one going up in the second row. And I'm also going to be using the 35O palette. I think I'm going to reach for is this dark, really dark orangey shade right here. And I may use this one. Probably not. I'm just probably going to use this one right here. I'm also going to be using the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliners, the one in yellow and the one in orange. Of course, I'm going to use a white eyeliner and some concealer. And to prime my eyes, I'm just going to use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance 24+ Hour Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. So, that is all I'm going to be using for this look. Yeah. Hopefully it turns out good so I can post it. So, thank you guys so much for watching. And I just dropped the palette. That was a bad look. Hopefully this look turns out wonderful. Dang, another shadow just broke. That's messed up, though. Yeah, so let's get started.
Scoochie, drop top right now. What's up? Walk. Hit back, go.
VVS the red. Might steal you, yeah, VVS the rich, might steal you, tone it down, you ain't never ball like this, tone it down, tell me who can ball like this, tone it down, who you nigga ball like this, tone it down, tell me who can ball like this.
Pull up, froze up with the dough up. Chopper in the club, don't care who show up. Watch looking like a glow up. Wanna throw up, east side, boulder, Chris Road, where I growed up. Hold up, little homie, turn it down, cause the jury that you're rocking is for kids, I'm a grown up. Sand courtside right next to the owner. Looking so good, make his wife pick a phone up. Big old boulder, Zimmer ring, look like Red Flintstone when he pick a stone up. If everybody got a watch like that, then why would I want that watch? I'm a loner. Damn near had a temper tantrum cause she got the car before I got it, now I really don't want her. You ain't never seen a glow up like this, not a that was trapping on the corner.
VVS the red, might steal you, yeah, VVS the red, might steal you, tone it down, you ain't never ball like this, tone it down, tell me who can ball like this, tone it down, who you know can ball like this, tone it down, tell me who can ball like this.
Put your man in CB, jury looking 3D, tryna be like me ain't easy. Hate me, women wanna date me, cause I got on all these VV visas. In that great thing, 2018, Rolls Royce truck, no reason. Water on my timepiece, brother than the Fiji, part front of the St. Regis. Artists wanna meet me, ballin' like an athlete, but I ball all 4 seasons. Diamonds dancing just like breezy. Take it easy, breezy, go easy. Don't in all my pieces. Gucci man stunt like Meech. Jury so cold, I'm sneezing. Pull up South Beach, no ceiling.
Tone it down. You ain't never ball like this. Tone it down. Tell me who can ball like this. Tone it down. Who you nigga ball like this? Tone it down. Tell me who can ball like this. Yeah, flow, drippin', I be on the slow. Fire, we hit it, have a seeing ghost. to know, yeah. Champagne, take a shot, won't have a hangover. VVS the real. Might steal you, yeah, yeah. VVS the real. Might steal you. Tone it down. You ain't never ball like this. Tone it down. Tell me who can ball like this. Tone it down. Who you nigga ball like this? Tone it down. Tell me who can ball like this. Tone it down. Tone it down. Tone it down. Who you nigga ball like this? Tone it down. Tell me who can ball like this.
Champagne, sipping, swerving in a rave. She act like I'm a chauffeur. She wanna stand in ovation. Not tryna be part of that wave. Comments if we conversate. Tryna throw it in my face. Tryna get me out my game. I say post and delete. Yeah. Post and delete. 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 Posting the lit.
Hey, little mama, you trippin'. I ain't really with that issue. It's gon' really be some if I get caught on the internet with you. I don't really do the pictures. We gon' do this a little different. Ain't no touching, no kissing. When we in public, shorty, just listen. I post and delete, don't keep it up. These people just tryna keep up with us. Put 2 and 2, tryna figure out if me and you fucking know what. Yeah. Shorty, you just want the wave. With me cause I'm paid. Shorty, y'all already know. Cause a young nigga made.
I'm drinking so much champagne. Sipping, swerving in a rave. She act like I'm a chauffeur. She wanna stand in ovation. Not tryna be part of that wave. Comments if we conversate. Tryna throw it in my face. Tryna get me out my game. I say post and delete. Yeah. Post and delete. 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 Had to block your account and unfollow you. Yeah, you the worst. And if you try to tag me, I'ma start spazzing. Shade room and baller alert. I was just minding my business. It was just me and my You started liking his pictures. I started f***ing these bitches. Proper f***ing get busy. I'm about to f***ing run and call this like delete all that. Can't keep my name out your mouth. Eating all that, juggling my and always trying to record my conversations like a federale. And everybody trying to race me like I'm Ricky Bobby. Black pyramid, that don't mean I'm Illuminati. Ain't gotta pull a trigger, homies got a couple bodies. Believe that, I ain't with the fake shit. Chopper gon' spray shit. You like emoji with the faces. Never get the police my statement. Never said shit about the bricks that I had up in my basement. Stop it, what the f you want from me? Know my time and my money, that ain't free. What you call a king with a chain? A masterpiece. And don't talk that shit if you gon' post me the link. I'm drinking so much champagne. Sipping, swerving in a rave. She act like I'm a chauffeur. She wanna stand in ovation. Not tryna be part of that wave. Comments if we conversate. Tryna throw it in my face. Tryna get me out my game. I say post and delete. Yeah. Post and delete. 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 Post and delete.
Shorty got all in the feelings. Told her I ain't with the Instagram. Little mama when we chillin'. I ain't down with the filming. No Snapchat and no Periscope. You could do that but not by me though. Don't want no pics in the Rover. How many times I done told ya? Personally, that shit ain't too cool with me. Everyone know you a freak. Tryna keep this shit low key. So I just post and delete. You want the wave? Taking pictures when you up in the rave. Stars in the ceiling. They know when you in the building.
I've been drinking so much champagne, sipping, swerving in a rave. She act like I'm a chauffeur. She wanna stand in ovation. Not tryna be part of that way. Comments if we conversate. Tryna throw it in my face. Tryna get me out my game. I say, post and delete.
Drop top Porsche, rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and I changed the game. It's my big bronze boogie, got all them girls shook. My big fat ass got all them boys cooked. Went from dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance like, hey. Flexing on the gram like, hey. Hit that Lil Jon, okay, okay. Oh yeah, we dripping and finesse and getting paid.
Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long. Yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you off. When I'm walking with you, I watch the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. No, my baby don't play. Blame it on my confidence, or blame it on your measurements. Shut the shit down on sight. That's right. We out here dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here dripping in finesse. You know it, you know it. We out here dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here dripping in finesse. You know it, you know it. Now slow it down for me, baby. 'Cause I love the way it feels when we grind. Connection so magnetic on the floor. Nothing can stop us tonight. When I'm walking with you, I watch the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. No, my baby don't play. Blame it on my confidence, or blame it on your measurements. Shut the shit down on sight. That's right. We out here dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here dripping in finesse. You know it, you know it. Out here dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here dripping in finesse. You know it, you know it.
Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I really love the way it turned out. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you guys in my next video.